one of the first tools to create data would be the create point. So on the CAD tab, there's a create points command. So this is going to actually create a point object within Business Center, or a point with some intelligence. It's not just a CAD point, but it's actually got a little bit more information to it. So when you create the CAD point, you can give it a number, you can give it a code. So maybe this happens to be a control point. And then the feature code actually can come from a feature code definition that you can have set up in your project. The coordinate type can be grid, local, or global. And then you basically just start in the northing edit field here and click where you want that to be, or you can actually type in the northing and easting. So what this did was it pulled the northing and easting from where I clicked on the screen. You can assign an elevation to it, or even a height, and then you can choose whether it's enabled as check, or disabled. So its status. So basically you're just creating a point. I'm going to click add, and that point is going to show up on the points layer. So the reason it's not displaying is because over here I have the points turned off. So if I was to turn on all the points, you'll see that that point displays. And if I put in the ID and the feature code, you'll see those that information display as well. So you can see by turning on the ID, the feature code, and the elevation, that point information is displayed.